Well, good morning. I got another bean I wanted to show you today. It's called the red swan. This is a pretty interesting bean. I think you might get a kick out of it. So we'll be back in 27 seconds. Well, here's our red swan bean. It's another bush type. Takes 55 days to harvest. And take a little closer look at it if you want. Got a little pink flower on it, and the bean pod is actually red. This is the same thing as snap beans that we're all used to growing, and the only difference is this one's is red. And I think that's going to be kind of interesting. I like to have colors on the table. That's kind of interesting. So we'll be putting this in today. Okay, we're ready to go out to the garden and direct sow our seeds today. And I always do my direct sowing the same way. The first thing I do out in the garden is I'll use my 4-inch deep cultivator, and I'll cultivate each row, one row at a time. And once I get that cultivated ground done, it's nice and fluffy and soft, then I'll grade it out with my grading rake and smooth out all the little holes and dips and wrinkles. I smooth it out where it's nice and smooth. Then I'll take my guide string and I move it over on top of that row so I got a perfect row, because I gotta have it straight. I can't stand it if it's not straight. So I get that string out there and I take my little stick, and it's nothing but a 2x2, and I walk down that row and I pop little holes in so I have my holes all in a line. Then I come back with my super duper seed dropper. Y'all have all seen me use it. Nothing but a piece of 1-inch PVC, and I put that pipe into that pipe right in the hole, and I drop my seed right in the top, and it goes straight into the hole, and I can just move it hole to hole and dropping in my seeds. Saves a little bit on my back, because this is what you get to look forward to when you're old. You can't bend over so great, especially if you're fat. So you want to try to use anything you can do to prevent bending over as much as possible. So once I got the seeds in the hole, I'll simply go back and collapse that hole and pat it down real quick, just barely tap it, and we'll water it in, and the next thing you know, got something to eat. So we'll go out there and get this put in the ground, and we'll watch the development of these plants as they mature, stage all the way through their stages. We'll see the beautiful blooms they put on and the fruit, and then we'll actually harvest it. Let's get saddled up. Well, we got our red swan beans sown, 2 rows. Take a look down the rows and you can see they've emerged. They got some true leaves come out on them. They're looking pretty good. So we just used 2 rows, and we'll monitor the progress of these in the days ahead and until we finally get to harvest. So we'll be back soon. Well, here's our red swan beans. These 2 rows right here, they're really off and running good, and they've made some real good progress now that these terrible rains have slowed down. We got some sunshine finally, but we've got some blooms showing up. If you look up close, you can see some little pink blossoms coming out. As soon as we see them pink blossoms, we know it ain't far behind, and it's going to be full of beans. Like Nancy says, I'm full of beans all the time. So anyway, we'll be back in days ahead, and we'll take a look at these when they're ready to harvest, and we can pull the beans off and take a close-up look at them. So we'll see you soon. Well, good morning. Our red swan beans are ready to go, and I'm going to go ahead and harvest everything that's ready to harvest today. So let's come up here and take a close look at what these little fellers look like before we go over there and wash them up, and we'll take a good look at them. Okay. Look right here. Aren't these cute little red beans? See, they're all red. Snap beans are just red. So let's pick a whole bunch of these that are ready to pick. And we'll take these right on over to the table and we'll clean them up and take a close look at them. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the journey we've taken together on learning how to grow these red swan beans, and they sure are pretty cute and red. I can't wait to give them to my mother-in-law. But they're nice, pretty beans, nice little snap bean. You might want to try them next year in your garden. It's something different, and the kids love something that's unusual. They get them interested in eating the vegetable as well as growing it. So introduce these to your family if you want to. And if you've liked our videos and you like watching our videos, we appreciate it if you subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. We'd love to have you join up with us. And also we have a Facebook page if you want to watch us on Facebook and follow along with that social media and interact with some of the other subscribers. That's always pretty fun too. So until we see you next time, always remember, by his hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching our videos. We really love making them. If you like our videos, please like our Facebook page to get the latest tips and tricks. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the newest video. Like it, it would really inspire and encourage us. But most importantly, share it to encourage others. We'll welcome your comments and questions. Thank you. Have a blessed day.